Most adults over 60 are missing one food that neuroscientists now call the single most powerful protector of the aging brain. Today, I am going to tell you exactly what it is, for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before making health changes. Now, let us get into something remarkable. Welcome back to Voices of Legacy, where we explore senior health, longevity, and the beautiful art of preserving your life story for the people you love most. If you are new here, hit subscribe. We publish something meaningful for you every single week. Your brain is the most extraordinary organ in your body. It processes more information every second than the most powerful computer ever built. It holds every memory you have ever made, every face you have loved, every lesson you have learned, every story that makes you who you are. And after the age of 60, it needs your help to stay strong. Here is what most people do not know. The brain is approximately 60% fat. Not the fat that most people worry about, but a very specific type of fat called omega-3 fatty acids. And these fats are not optional extras for senior brain health. They are the fundamental building blocks of every single brain cell you have. Without enough omega-3 in your diet, your brain cells become rigid and less able to communicate with each other. Your memory becomes less sharp, your thinking becomes slower, your mood becomes harder to manage, and your risk of cognitive decline increases significantly. The research on this is not new, but it is consistently and powerfully clear. A landmark study from the University of Oxford followed older adults and found that those with higher omega-3 levels experienced significantly less brain shrinkage over time. One of the key markers of cognitive aging. Another study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that seniors with adequate omega-3 levels had larger brain volumes in areas specifically associated with memory and learning. So what is this food? The single richest dietary source of omega-3 fatty acids available to most seniors is fatty fish. Specifically, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring. 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week is what leading neurologists recommend for optimal brain health after 60. Not supplements, not powders, real food, prepared simply, eaten regularly. But here is where the research becomes even more interesting. Studies consistently show that most adults over 60 in Western countries consume fatty fish less than once per week, far below the recommended amount. Many seniors avoid it altogether because of taste preferences, preparation uncertainty, or simply not knowing how important it is. That gap between what your brain needs and what most seniors are actually eating is the single most actionable change you can make to your diet starting this week. Now I want to share something that connects this directly to everything we talk about here at Voices of Legacy. Because brain health is not just about preventing decline. It is about preserving everything your brain holds, your memories, your stories, the decades of experience, wisdom, and love stored inside you. Every memory of a childhood home, every lesson a parent taught you, every moment that shaped who you became. A brain that is nourished and protected holds those memories more clearly. And a brain that holds those memories clearly can share them. With children, with grandchildren, with the generations who will one day want to know exactly who you were and how you lived. Taking care of your brain is not just a health decision. It is an act of love for the people who need your stories to survive. If today's video gave you something valuable, please give it a like. It takes 1 second and it helps more seniors find this content when they need it most. Subscribe to Voices of Legacy for a new video every single week on senior health, longevity, and living your later years with genuine purpose. And before you go, I have created a free 5-question Legacy Starter Workbook. 5 gentle questions to help you begin capturing your most meaningful memories. You will find the link to download it completely free in the description below. Consider it the first step toward preserving everything your nourished brain holds. Next week, we are exploring why seniors who stay socially connected live longer, and the simple weekly habit that makes the biggest difference. Until then, remember this: your story is not finished, and the world is still waiting to hear it.